Okay, what is Sagittarius? The main keynote of Sagittarius is to set the requirements for world discipleship. The disciple has come to a point where he or she is now going to make world debut. And in order to do that, he or she has to go through certain disciplines. In order to respond to the world need and respond in the purest form possible, not from an internally created pattern of memories and ideas and aspirations of what it should be, but from a higher perspective of what it really is and what the true needs are, the disciple has to go through certain disciplines. The main thing that this disciple has to learn to do is to still, to quiet the mind. That is the keynote, and it's so interesting. It almost slips us by in the story. So in order for us to be true manifestations of the Word, right, the true Word, and know how to truly serve and see the needs, not from our own personal perspective or from our own personal problems, but to really see the world need, we need to be a still, quiet condition where we will be able to see and recognize the real need and the path to it. So in Sagittarius, the focus is slowly moving from what's in it for me and what are my problems and my issues to let's clear this out so I can get the work done. And it's interesting that all of us are on that kind of path, whether it's this lifetime or next lifetime or whatever. We are all searching for our purpose, our direction, meaning. We know that we have to have some real meaning inside of us. We know that our life has to reflect real meaning, otherwise we're not happy. So we are looking for that. So we are all on this path of discipleship, and eventually all of us will reach to a point where we have to say enough is enough. Some cleaning up has to be done on another level here so that I can truly serve, in which service I will find my true purpose, my true direction. It's so profound and beautiful when we look at our life from that direction, a search for truth and a search for who we truly are. So let's do a beautiful meditation. And this meditation is going to be the meditation of the new group of world servers. It is really beautiful, and I will put part of the Hercules labor in there for us. So quiet yourself down. Take a deep breath. Imagine this beautiful flow of 3 streams coming from the source of water from a pure high mountain. This melting pure ice is developing into 3 streams. Clean and beautiful and nourishing for everything around it. In this meditation, we are going to unite ourselves with world servers, as warriors, as disciples. We stand within the center of consciousness of the new group of world servers, as a group unity on the mental plane. So lift yourself up. Extend identification through the soul of the new group of world servers to the spiritual hierarchy, the heart center of the planet. So visualize that connection. And then connect the hierarchy to the Christ, the source of all the rivers of wisdom. We focus our consciousness as a group within the heart center of the new group of world servers. With all those who so stand, we reaffirm our dedication to the service of the plan and to the glory of the One. Together we will say the mantra of the new group of world servers. May the power of the One Life pour through the group of all true servers. May the love of the One Soul characterize the lives of all who seek to aid the great ones. May I fulfill my part in the one work through self-forgetfulness, harmlessness, and right speech. Let us say one Om together. Meditate on the purpose and function of the new group of world servers. How do you do that? Think of all the men and women, or one or two in the world, in any field of human endeavor, who are doing wonderful work to heal humanity. And when you think about that one person or one group even, meditate on the purpose and function of the new group of world servers and how you fit into that. So let's take 2 or 3 minutes to meditate on that. First ask what is the purpose and function of the new group of world servers, and then see how that purpose and function is working through different men and women and how it can work through you. See how you fit into that plan and purpose. Now, as parts of the new group of world servers, let's start visualizing other men and women that we know, groups that we know who are part of this great service in all religions, all cultures, all fields. And visualize all of them together in humanity. Actually think about the people and their faces and how they contribute. And repeat after me. The sons of men are one, and I am one with them. The sons of men are one, and I am one with them. I seek to love, not hate. I seek to love, not hate. I seek to serve and not exact do service. I seek to serve and not exact do service. I seek to heal, not hurt. I seek to heal, not hurt. Let vision come and insight. Let vision come and insight. Let the future stand revealed. Let the future stand revealed. Let inner union demonstrate and outer cleavages be gone. Let inner union demonstrate and outer cleavages be gone. Let love prevail.
Let love prevail.
Let all men love.
Let all men love.
As we sound the great invocation, visualize the energies of light, love, and power descending on every human being on earth. In your mind, in your visualization, go to every corner of the planet and bring this energy. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of men. Let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of men. May Christ return to earth. From the center where the will of God is known, let purpose guide the little wills of men, the purpose which the masters know and serve. From the center which we call the race of men, let the plan of love and light work out, and may it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light and love and power restore the plan on earth. Today we send our gratitude to Torquem and to all his labor, his dedication, and the legacy that he left us. We send our gratitude to him, the soul that he was and is. We send our gratitude to all the new group of world servers everywhere, past and present. We send our gratitude to the members of the hierarchy for their vigilance and their love and their care. We send our deepest gratitude to the Christ. Oh.